நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி இந்த கோல்டன் டீர் அப்படிங்கிற லெசன் பார்த்துருந்தோம். இப்போ அதோட புக்கை வந்து லெசனில் நம்ம ரீட் பண்ண போகிறோம். The golden deer. Once there lived a beautiful deer in a jungle on the bank of the river Ganga. He was tall and strong animal. His body had shining golden color. Shining means minradhu artham. His horns had the color of silver while his legs were shining black. ஹார்ன்ஸ்னா அதோட கொம்புகள் என்ன கலரில் இருந்திருக்குன்னா சில்வர். லெக்ஸ் வந்துட்டு ஷைனிங் பிளாக். ஒன் டே த டீர் வாஸ் வாண்டரிங்னா இரையை தேடி அலையும்னு சொல்லும்ல, காட்டுக்குள்ளே என்ன பண்ணி இரையை தேடி அலைஞ்சிக்கிட்டு இருக்கு. இந்த ஜங்கிள் when he heard a loud cry, help help, somebody was shouting அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஷவுட்டிங்னா கத்துது. The deer ran in that directions and saw a man about to drown in the Ganga. Drownna உள்ள குதிச்சு இருக்கிற அந்த மனுஷனை குதிச்சு என்ன பண்ண போகுது, காப்பாற்ற போகுது. The deer jumped into the river and swam towards the man. Once near the man, he said, "Please hold on to me." The man held on to the deer. The deer swam back to the bank. The deer took the man to his house and said, "You can stay here till you are all right." The man thanked the deer and said, "I am Medjan." Medjan மெசஞ்சு ஒரு வணிகம் பார்க்குறவங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஃப்ரம் வாரணாசி அவங்க இருக்கிற இடம். I fell into the river accidentally. நான் தெரியாமல் இந்த ரிவருக்குள்ளே விழுந்துட்டேன். But for your help I would have drowned. அதிலிருந்து நான் என்ன பண்ணிட்டேன், தப்பிச்சிட்டேன். இப்போ in a few days the man got back his strength and wanted to leave. The deer said, "You must promise me 2 things before you leave. First, you should not tell anyone about having seen me. Secondly, you should not bring anyone here to see me." The man promised to do so. Then the deer took him to the road leading to Varanasi and left him there. The Medjan went to Varanasi. Around that time, one night, the queen of Varanasi had a dream. In her dream, she saw a golden deer which talked like a human being. The next morning, she went to the king and told him of the dream. "If there is such a deer in this country, I want him," she said. The king called his men and said, "There is a golden deer somewhere in this country. I want him here. I shall give a big reward to the man who helps us get the golden deer." The king's men went about looking for the deer. The Medjan, who had reached Varanasi by then, heard about the reward. So he went to the king and said, "Your Majesty, I know where the golden deer lives." "Then lead me there," said the king. The king, along with a large number of his soldiers, went to the jungle. He was led by the Medjan. As they entered the jungle, the king told his men, "Don't allow the golden deer to escape, but don't shoot at him. I want him alive." The deer saw the man closing in. He looked around and saw the king. He ran straight to the king and said, "Oh great king, here I have before you. Please don't shoot." "No," said the king, "I won't hurt you. Please tell me one thing." "Oh king," said the deer, "who told you where to find me?" The king pointed to the Medjan and said, "I had announced a reward for anyone who could lead me to the golden deer, so this man came forward and led me here. There are some people in this world who cheat their friends. One day I saw a man drowning in the Ganga. I saved his life. He promised me he would never tell anyone about me. Is that so?" The king angered. "Then I will put him to the death. Let him live," said the deer. "Also, please let him have a the reward. You are very kind and noble. நோபல்னா ஒரு நல்ல எண்ணங்கள் இருக்கிற ஒரு பர்சன். அதாவது நல்ல எண்ணங்கள்னா உன்கிட்ட நல்ல நல்ல எண்ணங்கள், கிரேட் குவாலிட்டிஸ்லாம் இருக்கு. Said the king, what can I do for you? Please order that no one in your country shall kill or wound any animal or bird. Certainly, said the king. The deer went the king to his palace. The queen was overjoyed to see the golden deer of her dream. The deer spoke to her for a long time before returning to the jungle. ஸோ இதோட நம்மளுக்கு இந்த புக் ரீடிங் முடிஞ்சிச்சு. நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸில் நம்ம அதோட 1 words பார்க்கலாம். ஓகேங்களா? தேங்க்யூ.